Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this video we will do the MCQs of unit number 12, the blanket. The age of Peter was 9 years, 13 years or 11 years, and the correct option is 11 years. Next MCQ is that the blanket was gift from father to son, from mother to daughter, or from son to father. So this was a gift from son to father. The blanket was a marriage gift, birthday gift, or going away gift. The correct option is going away gift. Together, the old man and the young boy washed the porcelain dishes, supper dishes, or dinner dishes, and the correct option is supper dishes. When the dishes were finished, the old man and the boy went outside and sat under the tree, sat under the shed, or sat under the moon. So, the correct option is moon. I'll get my dash and play for you, said the old man. Get piano, violin, or harmonica, and the correct option is harmonica. Instead of harmonica, the old man brought out the books, the piano, or the blanket, and the correct option is blanket. Instead of harmonica, the old man brought out the blanket. अब इसमें underlined word है brought out, तो ये underlined word क्या है? Proverb है, idiom है या phrasal verb है, and the correct option is that it is a phrasal verb. Peter was dash to know that his granddad was going away. He was satisfied, sad, or neutral, and the correct option is that he was sad. The tune stopped and granddad said it is a poor tune except chanting for, except sleeping, or except dancing to, and the correct option is that except dancing to. Dad looked at her with a funny look in his eyes. Now the underlined word is a phrase with a funny look, or a clause, or a sentence. So it's not a clause, it's not a sentence, it is actually a phrase. The girl was angry on Peter's dad because he bought an extra blanket, a cheap blanket, or expensive blanket, and the correct option is that expensive blanket. Peter's dad was sending his granddad away because of no reason, because of illness, because of remarrying. So because of remarrying, क्योंकि वो दूसरी शादी कर रहा था इसलिए. Peter suggested to cut the blanket in 3 pieces, 2 pieces, or 4 pieces. The correct option is in 2 pieces. The girl Peter's father was marrying had a hard, bright face like a fairy, like a doll, or like a pearl, and the correct option is like a doll. Dash is a small wind musical instrument, also called mouth organ. So bagpipes, harmonium, या harmonica. The correct option is harmonica. She is good at painting. अब इस सेंटेंस के अंदर द अंडरलाइन वर्ड इज पास्ट पार्टिसिपल, प्रोग्रेसिव और gerund. It's a gerund. Peter did not feel the cool September breeze because his thoughts were fixed on a purple blanket, red and white blanket, or red and black blanket, and the correct option is red and black blanket. The synonym for pretty penny is few coins, less money, or large sum of money, and the correct option is large sum of money. The blanket is written by Sam Keen, Floyd Dell, और Langston Hughes. So this lesson is written by Floyd Dell. तो आज हमने लेसन नंबर 12 के MCQs किए हैं. नेक्स्ट हम लेसन नंबर 13 के MCQs करेंगे. आपने मुझे कमेंट्स में लाजमी बताना है कि आपको कितने MCQs पहले से आते थे. ये MCQs की PDF फाइल भी मैंने जो है वो ड्राइव में सेव कर दी है. उसका लिंक भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन से मिल जाएगा, फर्स्ट कमेंट से भी मिल जाएगा. तो आप इसको दोबारा से रिवाइज़ भी कर सकते हैं. तो अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. अल्लाह हाफिज़.